to the Ministry of Health and Wellness COVID-19 Vaccination Registration app. This online service will allow you to register to receive your vaccine. Visit the address on your screen to get started. On the Welcome screen, select your language of choice. On the next screen, you will be required to enter your 9-digit Social Security number in the space provided. Then click Next. If you do not have a Social Security number, kindly call the Ministry of Health and Wellness to make your appointment. Next, select the phase in the vaccination program you belong to. Please note that phases are opened according to the Ministry's rollout program. If your phase is not available as an option, please wait until your turn is announced by health authorities. On the next screen, you will be required to answer a short questionnaire. Please answer each of the required questions accurately. It is important that you provide accurate information about any health conditions you currently suffer from. Next, you will be required to enter your contact information. Of critical importance is your mobile number. We will use this number to call or send SMS messages with appointment information. For this reason, you are asked to enter it twice in order to confirm accuracy. Also on this screen, you are able to select your preferred health center for vaccination. Select the health center where you would like to get vaccinated and then select an available location. Please note that while efforts will be made to accommodate your choice, location may be subject to change. Ensure all required fields are filled out and click Next. You will then be presented with a confirmation screen showing all information provided. Take the time to review this information. If you need to make any changes, you can click the previous button to go back to previous screens. Once all information is accurate, click the Conform checkbox. Then, click on the I am not a robot security feature. If you do not see the I'm not a robot security feature, refresh your browser. Click Submit to complete the registration process. Congratulations! You are now registered to receive your vaccine. On your screen, you will see your confirmation. Also, an SMS confirmation will be sent to your mobile device. Please note the registration code. This number may be required at a later date. Healthcare workers in your area will now work on scheduling your vaccination. Please look out for an SMS message which will contain your appointment details. Thank you for watching and be safe. Get vaccinated.